Good morning, dear students. So far, we have seen about electric field potential and electric field lines, electric field intensity, numerical based on electric field intensity, the electric field lines directions from positive charge to negative charge, then the property of the electric field lines. Now, we are going to start a new topic, that is electric dipole. What is electric dipole? When two equal and opposite charges, two equal means q magnitude same, equal charges but opposite, that means if it is plus q then it is minus q. So when two equal and opposite charges placed at a distance l then this kind of arrangement is known as electric dipole, right? And make sure that this distance L is very small. What does it mean? That when two equal and opposite charges are placed very close to each other such that the distance in between these 2 points are very small, L tends to 0, very small distance, then this kind, and this is the center point, then this kind of arrangement is known as the electric dipole. To measure the intensity or the strength of the electric dipole, there is a term which is known as dipole moment. Dipole moment. What is dipole moment? It is represented by P, and generally dipole moment is used to measure the strength of that electric dipole. Have you understood what is electric dipole? Electric dipole is nothing but when two equal and opposite charges are placed such that the distance between them are very less, then this kind of arrangement is known as electric dipole. And to find out the strength of this electric dipole arrangement, the term which is used is known as dipole moment. So you can write it as the strength of electric dipole is measured by a vector quantity that is known as electric dipole moment. Now, how the strength of this dipole is find out? It is find out like by using the formula P equals to Q into L, right? Where Q is what? The magnitude of charge. L is what? The distance in between these two charges. Okay? What we are saying, that when two equal and opposite charges, so these charges have equal magnitude, so any one of the magnitude is used here into the length in between these two charges. In many books or in your Arihant books also, the distance between these two charges is represented by 2L. Why so? Because by using 2L, the center point will be O here. So the distance from center to plus Q will be L, and the distance from minus Q to O will be L. So it is easy to calculate. If you solve like this, plus Q minus Q, and the distance is L, and this is the center, then this distance will become L by 2. Okay, so this is also correct, this is also correct. The difference is what? You have taken the length 2L here, you have taken the length L here, but the formula will remain same. Dipole moment will be magnitude of any one of the charge, that is Q only, into the length in between these two charges, that is L. Either it is 3L, then you have to write it 3L, right? So distance between these two charges, whatever the distance will be here, right? So dipole moment is a vector quantity, and its direction is always from negative charge to positive charge. Very important, very important. You have seen that electric field lines are always started from plus Q charge and ends at the minus Q charge, negative charge. Electric field lines always start from positive charge and ends at the terminate at the negative charge. These are the electric field lines. ठीक है, but dipole moment's direction is opposite to the electric field line. dipole moment's direction is always from minus q charge to plus q charge. This is a convention, and this is very important. The direction of the dipole moment. Direction of the dipole moment is always from minus q charge to plus q charge, opposite to the electric field line direction. Very important. So the electric dipole will be plus q minus q. This L distance, this is the center point. Electric dipole arrangement. ठीक है, and the dipole moment will be P equals to, magnitude of P equals to Q into L. Electric dipole arrangement, and this is dipole moment. Direction will what? From minus Q to plus Q. Direction of dipole moment. ठीक है. Now what is the significance of the dipole moment? If we are studying dipole moment, then what is the purpose of studying this dipole moment? Why we study this dipole moment concept here? See, sometimes in some molecules like CO2 or like CH4, in these molecules there are negative charge also and positive charge also, and mostly in most of the molecules the center of the positive charge and the center of the negative charge coincide with each other. ठीक है, this is a molecule and there are some positive charge and there are also some negative charge, and their center point of the positive charge and center point for the negative charge coincide with each other. Coincide with each other means if plus q charge is here, center of the plus q charge is here, and center of all the negative charges is also here, then the distance between these two charges is L equals to 0. So is there any dipole moment? No, because there is no electric dipole arrangement. But what if we place this arrangement in some external electric field? Then what will happen, that this center of all the positive charges and all the negative charges will displace by some extent, but this displacement is very very small. Okay, in the case when there is no external electric field, the center of these plus charge and minus charge is coincide with each other. But when the electric field comes, external electric field, then their center point will get displaced by some extent, and this distance is very very small. So this kind of arrangement is known as electric dipole. So electric dipole is generated because of what? Because of the electric field lines, and as the every effect generates its cause. That's why if electric field lines are from positive to negative charge, that's why dipole moment oppose its nature of origin. So that's why electric dipole is from minus q to plus q, because every effect oppose its cause, right? That's why the direction of the electric dipole moment is from minus q to plus q, because this dipole moment is generated because of due to the external electric field, and external electric field is always from minus q to plus q. So a dipole moment or electric dipole arrangement is generated, so it will oppose its cause of generation. So the dipole moment direction will be in opposite direction, from minus q to plus q, right? So this is the significance of the dipole moment, why we study dipole moment, right? Now sometimes question will be asked like, if there is two charges qa and qb placed at point a 0 0 minus 15, and this qb charge minus charge and this is plus charge having equal magnitude but opposite in nature, this qb charge is placed at point b. So let's draw this. This is point a, this is point b, this is origin 0 0 0, right? This is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So at z-axis minus 15 cm. So assume that this is the z-axis. This is the z-axis. At minus 15 will be here, minus 15 cm, and this is plus 15. So plus 15 cm will be here, right? This qa charge is placed here, and this qb charge is placed at point b. Now the question is asking about the total charge. So total charge q net will be qa plus qb. qa is what? Plus 2.5 into 10 to power minus 7, plus what is qb? Minus of 2.5 into 10 to power minus 7. So it will become 2.5 into 10 to power minus 7 plus minus 2.5 into 10 to power minus 7. So you can say the net charge is 0 here. So the answer for the total charge is 0. But what is the dipole moment? So for the dipole moment we apply the formula P equals to Q into L, that the magnitude of any of the charge, that is Q, that is 2.5 into 10 to power minus 7, into the length between these two charges, and the length between these two charges is from here to here this is 15 centimeter, from here to here this is 15 centimeter, so total distance will be 30 centimeter. So the length will be 30 centimeter. Centimeter will be changed in meter. It will become 30 into 10 to power minus 2 meter. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter, because so after solving this you can write it as, so the dipole moment will be this, right? Coulomb meter. This is Q coulomb, this is L in meter, so this is in coulomb meter. The unit of dipole moment is coulomb meter.